Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. And this tutorial works for Android as well as for iPhone. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube application. Once you open, you simply need to click on your channel profile picture in the right bottom corner. Once you click on that, here you can see a slider and the last one is turn on incognito. Click on that and now you can see that you are on Incognito mode and you can watch any video and search for any video and no history will be saved. And once you watch, and if you want to turn off the incognito mode, you simply need to click here and click on turn off. So here you can see that now I am on my channel. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.